toy. And this is Jelly's toy. Hello, I'm the artist brother. Say welcome to Spin. So it says power spin, marble run. See, power spin, marble run. And it comes. You see this other baby playing with those. And you see here they're playing. They're showing what it looks like. Z. Then the back. Z. Look at that. And look. And look at that. Oh, there. And you guys, he's standing. Don't stand there. And look. Comes with only one of this swirl and two of this. Lots of stuff. And we're gonna take that. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like. My dad will help me build it, but I'm not gonna build it alone. So my tata is here helping me, and it's very hard to open. Very hard to open. Hiya! Maybe we need to. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, you see this, guys? Whoa. Oops. Let's get these out, and my dad will help me open it. Okay, then I'm gonna open these all, and my dad will help me. He will help me build it because I don't know really about this much stuff. And they're getting this. Whoa! Oh my goodness, this is getting so confusing. Look! And we have this swirly from earlier we showed you in the box. See? Look, here with the other guy, we have this tail. Like the ball will go, look. Woo! It has like a sad face and a happy face. Happy. This is hard. Jarvis, don't throw that. He's throwing all the balls. Give me that ball, please. Thank you. Okay, we have lots of stuff. Oh my gosh. Getting me. What in the world? This is so hard. How are we able to open this? Are you kidding me? You open this wall. Where's the hill? Whoa, go. Whoa! It really works. Hello! Hiya! Just need to open this up. Okay. Stretch that. I guess we open it all. test it out. Where's it? But I think it's a good idea to put it here. Oops. No. Look, going down slowly. Hey, go down.
Oh.
Guys, you look. This ball is so happy. Hello, I'm gonna see my sister or brother. Let's go down the slide. I'm going down. Hello, football. Where are you gonna put it? Look at that there, oh. Hello. It's going down the marble run. Whoop. Going. Woohoo! Ooh, hello, I'm back. Hello, brother. I'm going to go that way. Ooh, la. I'm back. Hi guys, I think that's good for our video. And please subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, notification bell, and don't forget to check more Bree Playroom videos. Bye guys, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe for more happy videos.